Hey racers, here's a look at the RZR Pro R Factory. One of the most common questions we get is, what platform and chassis is this actually built on? A lot of people think that this is just a recreation car that we modified into a race car. That's not true. This whole chassis was actually designed from the ground up to be a purpose-built race chassis. It kept things in mind like being able to service the main components easily and also carry key spare parts that you may need during a race. Integrated into the chassis is a jack mount along with a spare tire mount. We have a spare radius rod mount and even a spare axle mount. It makes doing a change in the middle of the desert very quick if you need to. So by integrating all of those key components into this chassis, the customer is able to go straight to the race with a chassis that was engineered and developed with racing in mind.